The way of the river. Lessons in persistence. What allows something soft to shape what is hard? What moves without effort, yet never stops? What advances without force, yet always arrives? And look closely at flowing water. It does not argue with obstacles. It does not rush the journey. It does not announce its strength. And yet, over time, nothing resists it. This is the way of the river, and within it, there is a lesson about persistence. Water begins without urgency. It gathers quietly, drop by drop, without noise, without intention to impress. Then it moves, not in a straight line, not by demand, but by response. Stone appears, the path narrows, the ground rises. Water does not stop. It bends, it slides, it divides, it waits. When the way is blocked, water does not collide. It studies the surface, it finds the lowest point. It continues, sometimes slowly, sometimes invisibly, sometimes beneath layers of resistance. Time passes, stone that once stood untouched begins to change. Edges soften, surfaces wear down, shapes transform, not by violence, not by struggle, but by consistency. Water does not conquer the obstacle, it outlasts it. This is persistence without tension, motion without exhaustion, progress without aggression. Persistence is often misunderstood. It is imagined as force, as pressure, as relentless effort. But water reveals a deeper truth. True persistence does not push, it flows. It does not fight resistance. It moves around it. It does not demand immediate results. It trusts time. Water succeeds because it never argues with reality. It accepts the shape of the moment while quietly reshaping the future. This is stoic persistence, not reacting, not resisting, not exhausting energy against what cannot be moved. Instead, adjusting direction while maintaining forward motion. What endures is not what strikes hardest, but what remains longest. Water teaches that progress is not speed, it is continuity. It is the refusal to stop moving, even when movement feels small, even when progress feels invisible. Over time, flow becomes destiny. When progress feels blocked, force increases tension. Direction creates movement. Instead of pushing harder, adjust the angle. Flow does not break obstacles, it bypasses them. Ask not how to overpower resistance, but how to move despite it. Persistence lives in redirection. Water never rushes, yet it never stops. Progress that respects time outlasts urgency. Small movement, repeated, becomes transformation. What feels insignificant today becomes undeniable later. Consistency is invisible in the moment, but unstoppable in accumulation. Let time work with you, not against you. Stillness is not failure, but stagnation is. Water may slow, but it never freezes its purpose. Even the quietest movement is still movement. Progress does not require intensity, it requires continuity. Remain in motion, even softly, especially quietly. Water never asks permission to continue. It does not seek approval, it simply flows. And in that flow, it shapes everything. Persistence does not need force. It needs patience. It needs direction. It needs trust in time. Like the river, move forward without conflict, adapt without surrender, endure without tension. If one lesson from the river resonated most, share it in the comments. Which insight stayed with you? And continue the flow.